Well, it was you whispered, was it? I certainly heard that.
I hear humming in that back corner.
Yeah, it's like, isn't it? Excuse me.
Another look at that rubber smell again.
Well, if it's appearing and then disappearing, that's an interesting one.
I feel smelling.
You sort of take in one breath and that's it, it's gone. It's disappeared.
Oh dear. I've got coughs. That does happen in here from time to time. Haven't had that for a long time. I hope we don't, because last time I was the first one to go down with it and then everyone started coughing. That was me.
Another waft of that rubber smell, but it's not the camera. I think it smells like a burning smell. I think the camera's got to burn, but it's not the camera. So it's quite interesting. Got brief wafts of like burnt rubber.
There is one thing that we have had in here, and that's a boot boy who would polish boots.
Okay.
He's been picked up on a few times, so that's quite interesting.
Oops, saw an orb.
You got an orb, did you?
Yeah. Yeah, it just shot right past where the Bible is, towards the left.
Excellent.
It had a definite course as it was going towards where Jenny is. Please let yourself be known.
Can you hear the footsteps?
Did you hear footsteps?
Yeah.
I think there was something there.
What direction?
Over in the chancel, coming through the aisle. Could you say it louder, please?
I'm just going to make a noise as I shift. Could you please make yourself be known, please? Let's have a rubber again. That was a strong one.
Smelling more?
Come and go. Go again.
Well, that's come and go, and you know we're near enough that that's spiritual.
It's really strong now. That's really strong.
So you can smell it.
I would think that's our famous boot boy.
No, I can't smell it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, no, I can't.
I've got really, I pride myself in a good sense of smell, and that really.
Mine is dreadful.
It comes and goes. But only since I've been in this area. If I go, then it probably disappears.
That sounded rather nasty.
What was that?
I'll have a listen to it when it played. That did sound like a scream.
Is anyone with us tonight? Maybe. If so, you can make a tap. Possum's here.
It's very hard to be quiet in these pews because obviously they naturally creak every time we
I know. How are you feeling in the front there?
I'm okay, I'm just being dogged by the smell of burnt rubber.
That's strange.
It's the sort of smell I get, say, if I'm driving down in my car, and I can smell burnt rubber, and I think to myself, there's something wrong with my car. Could you please give us some more signs that you are here? We know that you are with us now. And we'd like to get to know you a bit further, if that's all right with you, with the greatest respect.
That was a voice.
Demons place a trigger object, the bargain. So if you're with us, you could move that or...
Could you open up?
And another voice.
Could you read a passage from the Bible for us? So scratch this wall here in front of the pew. It's inside the wall.
Interesting.
I heard that.
You heard it too? Yeah, it's like that.
It sounded just like that.
Yeah, but inside the wall. Could you make that noise again for us?
That was weird.
What was that?
Just heard something that sounded as though it was going.
What is that smell?
Should we swap placings to see if I saw it?
Yeah. Let's have a recorder then. Yeah. Sort of, I was just sitting on the yeah.
You got yeah, I'm just going to this side.
Oh. It's cool.
Did you get one to something?
I did, yeah, it was fresh.
Fresh what?
I don't know, something fresh.
Sorry, I'm standing in the see what I'm doing. It's 18 degrees, but 74% humidity. I think it shows that it's quite a damn building there.
Mm-hmm. The what?
74% humidity, it's quite a damn building, obviously, but it's pretty standard in an old church, I imagine.
I heard something.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, definitely a female.
That's what I've been hearing quite a bit tonight.
Could you make a sound like that again for us, please? Greatest respect.
Is Valma with us tonight?
Sorry.
Right. Thelma, are you here?
Reverend Kendall, are you here?
Was there a different female with us?
Reverend Kendall, are you here with us tonight?
If so, you can make
Make a noise, let us know you are here.
That was my stomach.
Uh-huh.
That's me.
I keep coming very heavy-headed.
Sorry?
Very heavy-headed.
Yeah, I just didn't hear.
I keep getting like fresh rubber.
Fresh rubber again. You've got it now.
I get a sharp pain across my forehead.
So you're getting a rubber smell?
Yeah, but it's more fresh rubber.
Oh, okay.
Like,
I wonder if it might be worth just checking around, see if there's anything there that's been left that might smell of rubber or something, maybe, just to confirm there's nothing there with a strong odour.
It's been a long time, but that has certainly been now, and that was about a year and a half ago when everybody smelt burnt, sort of like rubber smell. Now you sort of went possible boot man, used to clean boots or something like that, but we never knew who it was, but every so often that does come in.
Yeah, because I'm a big chap, it feels sort of at home with me. Reverend Kendall, could you let us know that you are here, please, sir? With the greatest respect. I'll be honoured to know that you are here. Or indeed, is anybody else here that'd like to contact us? Make a noise, tap the wood, anything so that we know that you are here.
I've got the smell.
Rubber smell again?
Yeah, the rubber smell.
So they keep coming on and off, does it?
Yeah.
It's the kind of thing, if you can say, that if it was actually there, naturally, that would be there all the time.
Yeah.
So somebody is sort of scouting in and out, maybe.
I definitely cannot smell it now. I did 5 seconds ago.
Damn interesting, isn't it?
It is.
Very interesting.
Sorry?
My head.
Your head. Headache?
It goes really heavy for a few seconds and then it just goes off.
Like a band around your head?
Yeah, like a tight band.
Yeah, I always put it as though you've got a hat that's about 2-3 sizes too small for you.
Yeah.
Ever since I've been in this front pew, I've got really bad sharp pain across my forehead. It goes
Yeah.
on the stomach.
Sorry, did someone just knock there really loud?
No.
Right, thank you. So you say that you got headache.
Yeah, it's more of every time I smell the smell since I've been in this front pew, a sharp pain across my forehead.
Uh-huh. Well, that's interesting. That's certainly a sign of good old spiritual activity.
Jenny,
Yeah.
last time you was here, did you say that you could smell like a perfume smell? Like a sweet scented smell?
Yeah, I did.
You did, didn't you, briefly?
Briefly.
Before we left?
Yes.
You've got it? Have you got it?
No. I'm just thinking along the same lines as the burnt rubber smell, whether that could be, whether, a presence could actually create that for us again, the smell of sweet
I don't want you
flowers
to get.
or...
I don't want you to get confused though, because I am wearing some perfume.
Yeah, okay.
Usually the kind that you get here is lavender.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Could you give us a sign, please, that you're here with us? Touch our face, pull our hair a little bit, anything, so that we know you're here.
That was me tapped.
Is that you tapping?
Yep. That was interesting.
What did you get?
Well, I can see where you are, but there's been 3 or 4 little bright lights around the area. A little bit somewhat of a distance away from you, because you're standing, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep. And I've been getting that, the stand behind me, just in front, and I moved it to see whether that was light orbs, and I guess that just wasn't moving. Now your ones are. That's interesting.
That was me.
Well, the 2 of them probably wasn't. I don't know what that was. Have to analyse it when I get back.
Okay. That's me then. Could you please let yourself be known to us? I think you know what to do. You move the door, touch the wood, affect one of us. Indeed, show yourself. We'd be most grateful.
Don't know what that was. That was interesting.
Well,
Sound like something from the chancellor, sort of like that, only with more male guttural sound.
I think I just saw a really bright light just flash in front of my face.
Uh-huh. Cool.
I've got a smell again.
Smell is back again, is that?
Yeah.
I've got to sit with you, Christopher. So I understand.
Yeah.
This is now again. This is
Sorry, I can't
HD.
Can you turn your light or torch on for a minute?
Yeah.
Gonna go to something as well.
So HD.
So I think we've got a noise zone at the moment. It's not noise free zone.
Really dizzy.
Yeah.
Really dizzy, yeah.
Feeling dizzy?
Yeah.
You're alright?
Yeah.
The fresh ones here.
Change it from actually.
When you say heavy head,
Like pressure in my head, there's some squeeze in my head.
interesting. I suppose you just now stood up.
Well, I stood up, I was fine when I walked over to this facility.
Here, there. Interesting.
Yeah, okay.
You okay, mate?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Good.